Blow through your next outdoor cleaning project with the Southland Wheeled Blower. Starting easily with a manual recoil fuel delivery system, the 43cc 2-cycle engine delivers 520 CFM of debris-moving airflow and wind speeds up to 170 miles per hour. The ergonomic loop grip handle features a thumb throttle control with multiple locking positions for increased user comfort and control. Roll easy on 10-inch never flat wheels, while the 7-inch spinner-style wheel provides maximum maneuverability of the blower head. So ditch the back-breaking pain of a handheld blower and upgrade your outdoor cleaning routine with the Southland Wheeled Blower.